What's the name of the book?
Reading book.
What's the book? Look at the book. Not the video. Look at the book. What book are we reading?
Cat.
Cats. Okay. Here you go, Mateo. Here. Wait, hold on. Read the book. This
Cat.
is a cat. Okay, turn the page.
Cat wants a toe.
Cats are warm and soft to hold.
Having eaten others.
Cats come in many different colors.
Cats are into the kitchen.
Mother cats like to
The kitchen.
snuggle with their kittens.
I like to chew a grass.
Cats like to creep through the grass.
It's a nose.
Yeah, it's his nose.
It's a nose.
Wait, hold on. Most
Cats have long tails.
have long whiskers and long tails. Okay, turn the page. Cats.
Turn the window.
Cats love to
Turn the window.
sit at the window. You can see yourself. Okay, look at the book. We're reading.
He's doing a great job.
Cats can jump high.
It doesn't.
Okay, turn the page. Cats sleep a lot. How many cats?
2.
Count the cats.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are there 4? No, count again.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're being goofy. There's only 3.
Cat.
Cats make good pets.
Yeah.
Say the end.
The